guys, it's Ralphie's toy opening, and today we are going to be opening a lot of toys, so let's get started. So I have a little car, a little green car, and some buttons, some skeleton buttons. And I got these little shooters, and we can shoot them on the back. And I got a little stuffed animal lamb, and a little stuffed animal doggy, little bunny. I have this McDonald's cup with happy boxes. And a McDonald's Ninja Turtle toy. And the Lego Batman toy. So now let's get started on opening these. So first we're going to start off as this McDonald's cup. As you can see, it is 3D. See, look. See the apples moving? It's 3D. Okay, so we have that. Now we are going to open this car. Let's see, like this. Yes. But we have a little problem here. Oh, I need to take this off. I put it on this way, right?
Let's go play Wii. ¿Cómo que cállate tú?
Estoy haciendo un video.
Oh, sorry. ¿Se da la luz para que se vea mejor? Sí, se ve mejor así.
And we have this little green car.
Queremos ver.
I'm sorry. So here's the little green car. Oh, look. This was... It's like a little beach thing. This is so far. And now we're going to open this Michelangelo toy. I'm gonna go get my sisters. Okay, I'm back. So, now we're gonna open it. These scissors aren't that good. Maybe I can poke it. Poke it too. Yes, I did it. I'm gonna try to put through it. Okay, I'm just gonna open it from there. So let's see what he does. And press the button and this. Okay, so you have to press this button and it spins. Look, we have to press this button right here. And then look. Wait, let me show you. You press the button and then you spin. Okay. Now let's open the buttons. these. So let's use, have 6 in here. Okay, for this one I am going to use my scissors. And on this one it really does work. That's like a good one. I don't know how to put this up. But you can just set it. So here it is. And now we're gonna open this Sing toy. We're gonna open up Rosita. Oh, my scissors, I remembered. Okay, where's the hole? Yeah, I made a big one. Let's go. I know what to do already because Nicole has this. Wait, I need to turn it on. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do that one more time. One more time. Your word. Come on, let your word. Okay, let's keep going. So now we have this little stuffed animal right here. Let's see, how do we take this out? Oh no, we have a problem. I'm gonna have to need my scissors. Cut. Okay. Wait, no, not yet. I won't cut. ¿Qué?
Bebé, ya están tus cookies.
Hold on.
Mira.
I'm gonna do a video. Let me finish. My mom called me. I'm sorry. So now let's take the tag off. Oh, we did actually. Oh, did we take the little thing out? Yeah, I think we did. So now we're gonna move on to the puppy. Let's see who the puppy is. Pull the little thing out. It is so cute. Now we're gonna open this. And let's see how we're gonna do it. Oh man, whoa. Okay, so we're gonna rip the front. And now we're gonna do so here. And let me put it right here. You guys see it? Let me move the camera. There, so we're gonna try right here and see what we get. We got a 75. Let's try one more time. Let's try the blue. Let's see if I can get 100. Oh man, that didn't have a 20. Okay, that would be fine. You know, our last toy is gonna be the little Batman cup. I've always wanted to open this. I just want to keep it. So, in my treasure box. And then I made the idea that I was going to do like a video. Pretty cool. Okay, I have this enough stuff. I'm gonna take the lid. Let's see how this is. Oh, it's so cool. Wait. I think it's supposed to be like this. Like the hand like that. No, see? It's so cool! Okay, I want to show you one more thing that I got yesterday at McDonald's. This. Look, let me show you how it works. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it on this side. Let me put the phone, I don't know where, like, put it, no. How about right here? With the blanket. I'm sorry, the phone fell. Oh. Yeah. Let's move this up right here. So you first grab it and then you go like this. Woo! It goes like that. And I want to show you these little toys from Subway that they're so cute. These. Mr. Man, Little Mr. Kong. They're these. I got this one the first day. His name is Mr. Chatterbox, as you can see right on the bottom. It says Mr. Chatterbox. And then I got this one the other day. His name is Mr. Brave. Mr. Brave. And I got this one the other day. I got the same one as this one. And this one's the only new one that I have. But one of the red one is the newest one. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's called Ralphie's Toy Opening. Ralphie's Toy Openings. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.